Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to fix the Snapchat camera blurry fix for Android and iPhone. So for both of the operating system, it's the same. So you have to head over to your Snapchat and try the camera. If you see it's blurry, you can try to clean your camera and try again. It's basic. And the second thing you can do is you can see that if your any of the blur filter is going on. And the third thing you can do is just to clear the cache of your Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat and head over to this info icon of this app and then head over to storage and clear the cache and go back and try your Snapchat's camera again. And if it's not working, then just head over to the Play Store and search for Snapchat. And once you search for it, you'll find if there is any update available. See if there is and try to update it. And if it's not working yet, then uninstall your Snapchat and install it again. Hopefully this will solve the blurry issue. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.